This is a hub of operations for Pharma 5. It has been in business for 30 years and has become the #1 pharmaceutical manufacturer in Morocco and the leading supplier to the state health authorities. Pharma 5 now has its commercial focus on Africa.
We share a lot in common with our African brothers. We share the culture, we share the same language, and we share a very good political relationship, which permits us, at Pharma 5, being a Moroccan laboratory, to do business in the majority of these countries.
The privately owned firm manufactures more than 350 products, from penicillin to anti-inflammatories. It produces more than 50 million packets and bottles of mostly generic drugs annually and employs around 1,150 employees. The business has grown in line with Morocco's expanding health sector, with more citizens now able to afford better healthcare.
It's very important for us to be in Africa. It has allowed Pharma 5 to keep up its double-digit growth and to see a really strong evolution of the business in Africa. That has allowed us to maintain our position as the leader on both the national level and the international level.
Morocco is in Africa. It's an African country, of course, but the choice to direct its economy these last years towards the African continent is a strategic choice. Firstly, on the political level, Morocco is somewhat rejected by others in Africa because of the Sahara question, that is the disputed sovereignty of Western Sahara. Of course, Morocco wants to get back into Africa, and as political efforts have not been able to resolve the problem, there is a hope that economic relations can promote a better understanding of the place of Morocco within Africa.
Backed by the political efforts of the state, exports have really taken off in the past 5 years. The company now sells to around 36 countries globally, 28 of which are in Africa.
I will say that Morocco is at a crossroad. And it is this crossroads that although we are not a poor country, we aren't a rich nation and we cannot compete with the massive economies nor the emerging ones. But through being at crossroads, I think we have a role in the triangle, a small hub between Europe, the Arab and Asian world and the continent of Africa.
Entre l'Europe, le monde arabo-asiatique et le continent africain.
Pharma 5 is slowly becoming one of the biggest drug manufacturers in Africa, and it now wants to open factories in Senegal and Cote d'Ivoire. Leslie Murungu, CCTV.